Good morning to everyone, but this video is for my Jamaican people. Jamaicans, we are going through a rough time. I have never seen nothing like this. In all of my 42 years, I have never seen anything like this before in my island. This is like a tsunami. People have lost everything. They have lost. There are so many lives that have been lost. When I look and see all my people are crying, calling out for help, people can't be found, homes swept away by flood waters. It's heart-wrenching. Honestly, I am not in Jamaica, but how I felt the other day and up until this moment, I wish I was there. I wish I was there, even though it's a chaos, but I wish I was there. I don't know if other Jamaicans feel like me, even though it's one of the roughest, but we still wish we were home. But my people, God is in control. To the ones who have lost their homes, their families, my heart goes out to you all. I feel your pain as a Jamaican. When I look at some of these videos, I'm seeing it do something to me. I keep crying and crying and crying. It's hard to look at my beautiful island of Jamaica and my people suffering. It's sad. I keep crying. I can't help it, but as I said, God is in control. And we will rise again through God's grace and mercy. We just have to come together and pray and trust God. Unite as a people, as a nation. You know, we are God-fearing people, we are loving people. Regardless of some of the things that are going on, we are still a loving nation. It's really sad. It's really sad, but we will get there. We will get there. But, you know, as Glacier Robinson said, it's not over now. This is not the end. You've been tossed and beaten down. We fought on again. I know your heart's been torn, and you say there's no point in carrying on. But grace is not over. No, it's not over now. It's not over now, my people. It's not over now. We will rise again. We will rise again. The pain we feel as Jamaicans, it's real. gonna take a time, but we'll get there. We will get there. We will get there. We'll get there. Unity is strength and strength is power. We will get there. Prayer changes things. Prayer warriors, we are going to gain our strength and we are going to pray for our beautiful island of Jamaica. We are going to pray for our people. We are going to pray for restoration. We are going to pray for deliverance. And God bless the beautiful island of Jamaica and bless our people. Be strong. Be strong. We are a strong nation. We are not losing courage. We are not losing our faith in God. We will rise again. We'll rise again. In the mighty name of Jesus, we will rise again. Thanks to everyone, the rest of the Caribbean, the whole diaspora. Thanks for your sympathy, your empathy, your support, your encouragement. All who are helping us in our time of need and in our time of trouble. We do thank you all. To our people who are reaching out to your people, it's a blessing, but we are still privileged. It could have been worse. It could have been worse, but God is in control and God still stand. God still sit on the throne for Jamaica. It could have been worse. It could have been worse. So we are grateful. We are still thankful. We will rise again. The beautiful island of Jamaica will rise again. And to the wonderful people of Jamaica, let's just keep trusting God. Better days are ahead. Jamaican people, better days are ahead. We will get there. We've been there before, but we will rise stronger and better. We are a force to reckon with. But we're going to get there. Be strong, my people. Keep strong, my people. Keep courage. Help is on the way. We're going to go through some rough times, but we'll get there. Together, we'll get there. I can't say have a wonderful day, but I'm gonna say have a blessed day. Because there's nothing wonderful in these days, but we have life and there's hope for improvement. But we'll try to have a wonderful day. Keep courage, my people. Keep courage.